Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel Wix Premium plan and get refund. Now first you'll have to open Wix on your browser and sign in into your account, then go to this section right here, My Sites. And now you have to hover over the site that you has purchased the premium plan for. So here in my case, I'll choose this site right here. Just hover over it, then click on select and edit site. And now after that, it will show you this page. Now you have to go to the search bar on the top right corner, then search for cancel, and it will show you this option right here, premium subscriptions settings. So click on it, and after that, it will show you that you have the premium plan. It will also display the last payment, next payment, and the payment method. All you need to do is to click on these three dots, then you'll have to choose cancel plan. And now there is an important step. You need to know that in order to get or refund all of your money, you shouldn't exceed the 14 days of free trial of the premium plan. So if you do that, if you cancel before the first 14 days, you will get all of your money back with no issue. So now you have to click on cancel now. Then it will ask you about the reason. So I'm gonna choose price and budget. Then here, as you can see, it shows you this message if you are still within the 14 days trial period. So if you choose to cancel your premium plan, your site will immediately lose its upgraded features and your refund will be processed and credited to your account within 20 business days. So you have to wait about 14 to 20 days till your money are refunded back. And after that, they will ask you to tell them more about the reason. So just let me type anything, then click on cancel now. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.